Hello guys, today we have a 2023 Nissan Murano. I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades. So first we'll grab the driver's side wiper arm, pull it up. This is a 26-inch blade and the passenger side is an 18-inch blade. Okay, now to remove the wiper blade from the wiper arm, you simply get a screwdriver and lift up on this little clip here. And you take the wiper blade and push it down towards the windshield and slowly pull it off the wiper arm. Just be careful that this doesn't fall back down and smack your windshield. It could crack the glass or chip it, so just be aware of that. This is your standard J-hook style wiper arm. Okay, and take your new wiper blade, insert it like this, and then lift up. It'll click, and then push down on this, lock it into place, and then gently fold it down onto the windshield. Same thing for the other side. Now for the rear wiper blade, this is a 12-inch blade, and unfortunately you can't lift this up to get it off. So you have to pop this plastic cover off, which is easy to do, and it exposes this nut here, and you actually have to remove the wiper arm from the vehicle, and then you can change the blade that way. Okay, this is a 10mm nut. We'll go ahead and remove this now. Be careful not to lose it. Now the wiper arm will come off fairly easily. And then to remove the wiper blade itself, all you need to do is lift up like that, and the blade comes off. Now you can grab your new blade you see these two little studs sticking out. That's what rides in this little groove here and on the back side here. So you take your wiper blade, insert it like this, and then fold it down like so. Pretty simple. And then line it up with the dirt on the glass here. If you don't have any dirt in your vehicle's clean, you can use a piece of tape before you remove the wiper arm. And then you just insert this back on the stud like that, take your nut, thread it on, and tighten it down. You don't want to go too tight, this is plastic. Just don't overdo it. Then take your plastic cover, snap it back over top. That's it, you're done. Good to go. So that completes the wiper change, guys. Hopefully the video helped you out. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.